Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here real quick, do a quick video here on my L-shaped desk. And before anybody asks, no, the standing part of the desk is a separate product. What you're gonna see here in the video is just the flat portion here of the desk. And also, excuse the mess, I'm in the process of resetting everything up. Now, when you do receive this desk, you do have to put it together yourself. There's the actual wooden top pieces here. There's a short one, there's a long one, and there's your little almost like a pie piece wedge shape to create the L. And then you also get 4 of these identical X legs to put together. And again, you put it together with a basic screwdriver. There's not really much to it, but the way that the instructions do allow, you can actually alternate where you want the short and the long piece. So for instance, if I wanted the long piece off this way and I wanted the short piece over here, all I'd have to do is just put it together a separate way because everything does kind of lock together in this little shelf down here in the bottom. So these are not freestanding pieces. This is all one particular piece that's all put together, depending upon, again, how I want to based on the instructions. Now, in terms of weight capacity, this is a very strong desk. I know it doesn't really look particularly thick, but if you come underneath here, all of the desk is it's reinforced and supported by these metal beams that run between the legs. So if you kind of come under here again, this is all, you have that metal beam there underneath the thin desktop. So this can support a lot of weight. As you can see, I'm kind of testing this with my big standing desk setup. I want to say this setup here is about 70 pounds on the short side here. So I don't think you're going to be able to overload this. This is a good foundation for just about any workstation, gaming station, whatever you want to create with it. And here's actually a better shot of what I've got. So I've got the standing desk riser with 3 different monitors, keyboard, mouse, and then all over here, I've got my laptop dock, I've got my external hard drive, all my books, and again, it takes all the weight perfectly. It also does include this little riser bit. I'm not quite sure what to do with it right now. I'm a content creator, so this is kind of up and kind of has props and stuff. I'll put random things on here when I do a YouTube video, but essentially what it does, it goes underneath. There's a little, almost like a little C-clamp on the back, and you have this little riser. I've seen them put a printer on this. I'm not quite sure how to use it, but that does go anywhere. You can put that anywhere on the desk, however you choose, if you want to bring something to kind of put it up. But overall, I mean, for the money, it's pretty inexpensive for the size of the desk that you get. And again, I wasn't really looking for anything that was really, really heavy because I was going to use this more as a base for other things to put on. So this serves its purpose very, very well for what it is.